Today we're going to learn how to knit seed stitch. I have a sample right here where you can see that seed stitch is just a combination of knit stitches and purl stitches. Instead of what we did for the ribbing last month, instead we are going to be knitting the purls and purling the knits instead of having them line up so that they alternate. You can see it lies perfectly flat and it is exactly the same on both sides. So this sample I cast on 30 stitches because it works for any even number of stitches. For the piece I'm going to be working on today, I've cast on 10 stitches just so we can see everything a little bit more quickly. And you're going to do just like you did with the ribbing stitch. You're going to be starting with a knit one and then a purl one, and then just do that all the way across, knit one, purl one, across your even number of stitches. Remember, you're going to be purling the stitches that have been knit and knitting the stitches that have been purled. You're going to end, knit one, purl one. Then you're going to turn your work. And you can see the first stitch looks as if it is a knit stitch, and the next one has a bump for a purl. So what you're going to be doing is you're going to be purling the stitches that you have knit and knitting the stitches that you have purled. So we get those alternating purl bumps. So you're going to start this row, purl one, and you're going to go purl one, knit one across the row. So just exactly the opposite of what you did in the first row. So you're going to purl, knit, purl, knit, and then your last two stitches are going to purl one and then knit one. And you can see that we have our very nice little garter stitch pattern coming out. And that's all there is to it. That is seed stitch.